Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this professional CV just as you are seeing with an online tool for free. So just stay till the end to see how it goes. It's absolutely free and everything generated. First you go to this website, you type in this on the URL and open the first link that appears. You click on the first link that appears. Now when you open the page for the first time, you have to log in, or you try it for free, but for my case I have to log in because I've already created an account. So there you can just input your email, click on next. So you input the password, but if you are seeing new beneath there, you can see a place to create new account. So now I created an account already. I'm just gonna click on input my email password. So now I click on login. Now I don't want to save this on my Google account, so this is what I already created on the site. So now you have so many options where you can, so many things you can add. So when you click on their dashboard, it will show you what you can do. You can create a resume, you can do a letter, email, ID, and lots of things on this very site. So for now I just want to teach you how to create a professional resume for free online. They generate everything for you. So the thing is, you can, when you click on, you see different features like design how you want your resume to be. Like you can see like feedback, where the website collects data, and you can start with a template. You can also start with a template where you can use. So then numerous templates, so I choose the first one. There are numerous templates in which you can use. They're already pre-made for you and they're absolutely free. So it's left for you to choose your template. So for my case, so I choose the first one. So when you choose your template, it will automatically appear like that. You can choose your design, you choose what the content of your template. So down there you see add content. So when you click on add content, it gives you a lot of things you can add on your resume that you did not know you needed them. So lots of things. So if you click on any of them, you automatically add it to your resume, and at the end you will see you create a beautiful and a professional resume just like that. At the end when you create it, you can easily download it from there. It's very simple, very straightforward. So when you download it, it's for free, no watermark, nothing. So that's how you create a professional resume online for free. And you see, that's how professional mine looks. So on the next video, I'm going to show you how to create a digital signature for free on this very site. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to create a digital signature like this for free. So don't forget to like and subscribe and share for great tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.